Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is October 4th, 2024. We've got a lineup of fascinating stories from the world of Apple technology and beyond. Remember, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. First up, let's dive into Apple's latest GitHub repository, ML Depth Pro. This project, Depth Pro, is making waves in the field of monocular metric depth estimation. The model is capable of producing high-resolution depth maps with remarkable sharpness in just 0.3 seconds on a standard GPU. What's impressive is that it doesn't need camera metadata, making it adaptable for various applications. It uses a multi-scale vision transformer and combines real and synthetic datasets to enhance accuracy. The repository includes a reference implementation and evaluation metrics, encouraging users to explore and cite the work if beneficial. Next, we have a handy tool for Apple users, the APW project by Bendues. This command line interface offers a secure way to access iCloud passwords and OTP tokens. It's particularly useful for integrating iCloud passwords with other systems. The tool leverages a helper available in macOS 14 and later, ensuring security and ease of use. As an open-source project, it invites community contributions and aims to simplify password management for Apple users. For trivia lovers, there's a new app on the block called Jano. This app offers a treasure trove of fun facts across diverse topics, from AI to sports. Users can enjoy personalized daily facts and explore various categories. The app features an AI-powered fact verification tool and allows users to listen to or play facts for an interactive experience. It's compatible with iOS 12.0 or later and offers a Pro Access option for additional features. Trading card enthusiasts will be interested in the TCG price scanner for Lorcana. This unofficial app helps users track the market value of their Lorcana cards. With a simple scan, users get instant information on card prices, names, and rarity. The app provides a comprehensive card database and history tracking, all without requiring sign-up. It's designed to enhance the trading card experience, making it easier to manage collections and stay informed about market trends. Finally, a bittersweet farewell to iMore, a staple in Apple news and technology reporting. After more than 15 years, iMore announced it will cease publishing new content. The site has been a significant resource since its inception, shortly after the first iPhone launch. The decision reflects shifts in the tech landscape, particularly with the rise of AI. While new content will stop, the site remains accessible for its rich archive, and the forum will stay active until November 1st. The iMore team expressed gratitude to its community and hopes for the future of tech journalism. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and engaging. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of Apple technology. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.